Welcome to our channel. Where can you buy a reliable N20 BMW engine at the best price? Local junkyards, start here. Not the shiny dealer stuff, go call your local salvage yards. Half the time they've got Rec 3 Series or X3S sitting around with good motors. Online used engine sellers, plenty of sites exist now, carpartnegni.com, usedengine.online. They'll list mileage, warranty, and price side by side. If you stick with ones that offer at least a 6-month warranty, you're safer. BMW specialist shops, not dealerships, independent BMW shops. They usually know a guy, or they've got an extra engine pulled from a customer's car. Sometimes you can grab one already inspected, which saves hassle. eBay Motors, yes, eBay, sounds sketchy but people flip N20 engines all the time. Check seller ratings. Don't wire money to anyone outside eBay's system. Look for sellers that offer freight shipping. Facebook Marketplace, search BMW N20 engine in your area. People part out cars daily. Always check compression numbers or at least see the car it came from. Craigslist, it has same rules as FB. Meet in person, don't buy sight unseen. Bring someone who knows what they're looking at if you're unsure. Remanufactured engines, this isn't cheap, but it's safe. Companies sell reman N20s with new timing chains, seals, gaskets, etc. Good if you plan to keep the car for years. Forums, BMW groups, check Bimmerfest, Bimmerpost, or even Reddit's or /BMW. People post parts for sale constantly. Enthusiasts usually keep better track of what's been done to the engine. Importers, some shops specialize in importing engines from Europe or Japan. Sometimes they get low-mile N20s, prices vary, but worth a call. Word of mouth, ask your mechanic, ask friends. Half the time the best deals never get listed online. That's usually where you get the cheapest and most reliable deal. Thank you for watching.